Hello kids! Welcome to today's super cute drawing. We're going to draw a little Hello Kitty dressed up like a kitten sitting on a smiling, then we'll color it together to make it bright and beautiful. Let's see what colors we need.
Yellow, orange, violet, black. Great, now that we have our colors ready, let's start painting together.
3, 2, 1!
Stick around. I can't wait to show you the surprise at the end. Be with us. Create a beautiful world. Every like is a wave of energy. Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for being with us.
Wow!